Hi, I'm Dr. Desmond, and today we will be discussing the toothbrush dilemma. Toothbrushes come in all different shapes and sizes. There are plenty of toothbrushes to choose from, starting with the bristles, the hard, the medium, soft, and extra soft. And then there are the shapes and sizes, like the small head, square head, triangular head, blah 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 blah. Here are some tips that will help you the next time you are in the store looking for a toothbrush. 99% of the toothbrushes that you come across your store are made of plastic handles and nylon bristles. Nylon bristles come in four variations: the hard ones, medium, soft, and ultra soft. They are usually written on the packaging. All these bristles have their own advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of the hard bristles are that it will last longer and the cleaning efficiency is really great, especially the top or the occlusal surfaces of your posterior teeth, your back teeth. The disadvantages of these bristles are they can cause damage to your gums and your teeth. It can wear off the enamel of your tooth, causing sensitivity. Then comes the medium bristles. Just like the hard bristles in function, it is only a step away in its disadvantages. You can still get away with using this brush if your teeth are not sensitive or not worn off. And if you tend to eat a lot of chocolates and sticky foods, this brush is kind of handy. And the next in the list is soft bristles. These are the kind I recommend and mostly widely agreed by the dental community as the best type of bristles to use. The advantages being that it is perfectly designed to clean your teeth efficiently, and as well as it is soft enough not to cause much damage to your teeth and your gums. Now comes the ultra soft bristles. You already know the answer. These are not too efficient for cleaning the food between your teeth, but this is very handy toothbrush if you brush more than twice a day or if you tend to use more pressure on your teeth while brushing. Also, it is a good choice if you have sensitive teeth and if you suffer from teeth erosion. Now, regarding the handle, choose whichever is comfortable for you to hold. Now about the brush's head size and shape. The most common types are square head, the round head, the pointed or the triangular head toothbrush. The most efficient toothbrush is the one that can reach every nook and corner of your mouth. I tend to prefer the small and the triangular head because it goes just beyond the back teeth, your third molar or your wisdom tooth. It is very difficult to clean that area. These kind of brushes won't go wrong. It can be used by anyone. But it is best that you experiment with these head designs to see which suits you best. And don't use a toothbrush for more than 3 months. When the bristle starts to fray, you need to discard it because this fraying bristles can cause damage to your gums. So now that you got your perfectly customized toothbrush, the next thing is brushing. You need to brush twice a day, 2 minutes each time. Thank you for watching this lengthy video. If you like the content, subscribe and like the video. If you didn't like it, please leave a comment so that I will know where I went wrong and I can improve myself. Thank you very much.